Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be unboxing the Ipsy. So just came back from family dinner and this was in the mailbox. So super excited for this. I remember choosing I just don't remember what I had chosen. It's late and I'm tired, and so don't mind my makeup and just the way I look right now because I'm tired. I seriously, I am trying to open this. So this is Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is the $35 one, and you get 5 full-size products, and you get to choose 3. You get to choose 3 out of the 5, or out of the 6. I think Ipsy chooses 3 and you choose 3. So this is what it looks like. So this is the second tier. The first tier you get travel size products, which is $15 plus a $1.99 handling fee, shipping and handling fee. And then this one, which is $35 or $37, and then you get the icon box, which that happens quarterly. So this one is Ipsy Boxycharm. March 2025, main character energy. Eat, glam, love. Set out on an adventure this spring to romanticize your life and your routine with fresh beauty finds that give you main character energy all day, every day. So that is what it looks like, and that's what it looks like. What is this? Scan to learn about the 5 products. Okay, so it's 5 products. Scan to learn about the 5 products in your box. So you just scan this and everything would come up. This is the protection that Ipsy has for our products, or my products. And there's a palette, and hopefully it is okay because everything is just thrown in here. Wow. Okay, so let's just start. I think I added on, I don't remember what I added on. So there should be, yeah, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I did add on. So it does have my add-ons in here. So this is my pick. I know I picked this one. I love Drunk Elephant. This is the Drunk Elephant O Negative Blues Rosi Drops. This is the Fortify Plus Blush, Omega Fatty Acids, Sapinwood Bark, pH 5.5. And that is what it looks like. And this is the rose gold, right? Because of the shade. It just comes with this. And that's what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch because I want to do this on a dedicated video. So I'm not swatching. And then there is Fenty Beauty Fenty Cheeks. Is this an add-on? I know I picked this. I'll have to tell you guys what's an add-on and what's not an add-on in the description box, because I don't remember what I added on. I think this is not an add-on. I think this is one of my products. This is Fenty Beauty Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush in Petal Poppin. And Fenty is amazing. All Rihanna's products are so good. Look how cute that shape is. This is Petal Poppin. That's the shade. Does not come with a mirror. I'm not going to swatch. I will leave that for another video. Okay, and then these two I've already opened. And then I got Wattabratt, Fenty Beauty. If you hear my little goblins back there, they just ate. And he's loving, I guess, the leftover taste. I don't know. Whatever's left over on his mouth. I don't know. My little baby is he's a character. His name is Stitch. So this is another blush. This is Wattabratt. Again, no mirror. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's all you hear. I think that's the paw that he was holding the food with. I made him, well, not me, but I brought him home some roast beef. And yeah, this is the ALAMAR Cosmetics Plumpling Lip Water. I'm guessing that is the shade. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a cute. It's cute. Oh, okay. I was like, what the heck? Because I don't know if you can see it, but see, I thought it was broken, but no, it's a doe foot. That smells good. I most likely won't keep this. I have a lot of glosses, and I'm one to not really use glosses, so it takes me a while to get to those glosses. Then there is Formula Z Lightbulb Swirl Liquid Illuminator in Major Vibes. This is what it looks like. Okay, what is this stuck on? Oh, well, it's a little squeezy tube. I like that. Lightbulb Swirl Liquid Illuminator. So, oh, it's a doe foot. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Then there is Positive Light from Rare Beauty in light medium. So this is the concealer, right? Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. Yeah. I bought this for my daughter in light medium. She likes real bright under eyes like I do. So hopefully that works for her. If not, I'll keep it because I love the light medium in that. Okay, then there is the OLEHENRIKSEN. And that is the packaging right there. And this is Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisturizer. Wow, it just went all up in my creases. Do you guys see that? Ooh, that smells So good. It smells like a citrus. So good. This is gold complexed vitamin C and niacinamide, or niacinamide. Vitamin C gold. Oh, that just says it in like a different language type of thing. Okay, but you could definitely smell that vitamin C. Then there is Laura Geller. I seen mixed reviews about this. I want to make sure that it is okay, because the protection for these was not protecting. It was just thrown in there, and that was on top. The protection was on top. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's good. Very pretty. Colors I have over and over again. Very pretty colors though. So I don't think I'm gonna keep it, honestly. I have a lot of these colors. A lot of these colors, so I'm not really, yeah, this isn't, but at least it's good. Then I got the Alice Brooklyn Vanilla Milk. This is the, okay, so I got perfume in my last little Ipsy too, and I put this as an add-on, and because I'm trying to get a little bit more perfumes just to kind of try out, because I have certain ones that I have and I'm like, okay, see, that is cute, isn't it? Oh, it's a dabber. It's a dabber. I don't smell anything. Okay, I smell vanilla. You know what it reminds me of is the vanilla extract. That's what it smells like. Is the vanilla extract. It's not bad. I like it. I'll use it. So super excited about that. Just to have. And that is everything. I will leave everything in the description box, what I had chosen, what they've chosen for me, the prices. Because like I said, you do the barcode right there and it will tell you everything, the prices, even tips on how to use it. That's what they usually kind of do. That's it. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to join my little family, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell just to get notified whenever I do upload a new video. All right, guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.